I'm Rusty Kath, and today we're having a chat about modern control technology your way. Darrell Halterman from Emerson, he knows all about that topic. He's right here with us today. So Darrell, with regard to control technology, what are the main challenges that your customers are facing today?
Well, Rusty, in order to get the performance and the price profiles that they need to be competitive in the machine OEM space, customers are many times forced to source control products from either multiple vendors or multiple control lines within a product portfolio that may have different programming capabilities or different tool sets. On the other hand, they find sometimes that if they're going with the single family, they may be locked in, and it may limit them in their ability to provide the right scope of performance at the right price points.
So what happens if these types of issues are left unresolved?
Well, Rusty, they can wind up in a situation where they may need to program the same application in multiple different environments. That can lead to discontinuity or discrepancies between the implementations. That can lead to more difficulty supporting those things in the field, and overall can result in higher costs to deliver the products, longer lead times, and higher maintenance costs.
Well, how can Emerson Technologies and Solutions address these issues?
Well, Emerson provides the best of both worlds. We have a full line of control solutions that can go from the most basic application requirements to the most complex. Our families range from microcontrollers to cost-effective, mid-size compact control systems, all the way up to high availability control systems as well. But at the same time, one runtime, one tool chain for those, and based on open standards, but open by no means generic. These open standards allow flexibility, interoperability with third-party equipment, and really give the customer a range of capabilities. But at the same time, using a single tool set and single programming environment based on those open standards provides flexibility and ease of use, and reduces the risk and complexity to manage a set of control products or applications from a single tool set.
How does the sheer range of Emerson's capabilities help?
Well, that wide range of control families allows a customer to have easy scalability and change and growth. So they can start out, with simple applications on our small micro PLCs. If they realize that they need more compute capability, because the programs are portable, they can move up to a larger size PLC. Customers decide that they want to distribute an application over multiple control interfaces. They can, break up that application, put it onto smaller equipment without needing to rewrite it. So they have that benefit of having the optimum user experience, the optimum cost profile for their solutions, and that leads to reduced total cost of ownership and a real simplified environment when dealing with maintenance and care for their overall applications.
What are some practical examples of how these solutions and technologies would be implemented?
Well, because we have open standard support built into the product, customers will often use Profinet to connect its traditional I/O to those systems, but they also can then incorporate third-party sensors, even cameras or other advanced sensors, to be able to complement their control solution and be really innovative in the way they're bringing information into it. On the other end of that, customers can use the standard integrated OPC-UA secure communications to connect to our HMI SCADA software offerings, but at the same time they can use that same secure connection to go to third-party analytics packages or other equipment to add additional insights and operational flexibility into their offerings.
So would you say it's a fairly streamlined user experience?
Yeah, because Emerson's full line of control solutions use one tool set for the programming environment. You can go from PLCs, motors and drive safety systems, and visualization in one package. You get the ability to have that flexibility around your control architecture to get best price, best performance, and don't find yourself locked into a single offering.
Hey, thanks so much for your time today, Darrell. If people want to learn more, where can they go to get started?
Well, Rusty, they can go to emerson.com/pack systems to learn about the full range of automation controllers that we have available.